Lenny, Bill, you're with me. Arthur, John, you take the left side. If you see a shot, you take it. Okay? Good luck, gentlemen. Arthur, let's go.
Let's go.
You see those two? Stay out of sight. Not over yet! Head to the house! Shoot that lock, Arthur! Good! Now kick that damn door in! We got more inside!
Ti faccio diventare il cibo per fermi!
Not now! Get out here and fuck! Like a man! Somewhere. Arthur, have a look upstairs. Arthur! Ah! Lenny, keep that door covered. Let's check upstairs. He's not down here. Right. He's gotta be in one of these rooms.
Okay, I'm sorry, friend.
No, name your price. Name your price. Every man have a price. Eh? Okay, okay. No, I surrender. I surrender.
Should we kill him?
Nah, let's take him to Dutch.
You can carry him. I ain't touching that piece of shit.
I think Dutch wants to have a little chat, Mr. Bronte.
Let's go! Come on! Put your guns down!
Come on, Morgan! We're getting the hell out of here!
Arthur, come on, let's go!
Put him in front. Bill, you help.
Got him?
Oh, come on, Lenny. All right, come on. Let's get out of here.
Yep.
Oh, hey, big man. We gonna ransom you or what?
You're pathetic.
Well, I am. Because from where I'm sitting, you're the one deserving of pity, my friend. All your men, all your money, it weren't no match for a bunch of bumpkins.
You are nothing. You do nothing. You mean nothing. You stand for nothing. Me, I run a city. And when the law catch up to you, you will die like nothing. I am this country. You are what people are running from.
I possess things that you will never understand.
You don't even possess your own men. $1,000 to the man who kills him and sets me free.
What are you gonna say now?
They are even bigger fools than you.
No doubt.
The law will find you. Already, the dogs are on the way.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're right. You are so right.
They are good at smelling filth, huh? So filth has got to be disposed of! Your friends, the Pinkertons, are gonna come and rescue you! You repulsive little maggot! Call them now! You call them! Jesus. Part of your philosophy books cover feeding a fella to a goddamn alligator, Dutch.
The part that covers weakness. That part.
I don't know.
Well, I do. It ain't nice. I know it. But it is us or him. I figure it might as well be him.